Good morning to all. See the problem. If 3 plus root 5 and 3 minus root 5 are the zeros of the polynomial 2x to the power of 4 minus 22x cube plus 80x square minus 112x plus 48, then find the remaining other two zeros of the polynomial. This is the question given there. So here, look at here. What is the given polynomial? Let f of x is equal to 2x to the power of 4 minus 22x cube plus 80x square minus 112x plus 48, which is given fourth degree polynomial. It is the fourth degree polynomial, Nalgava Parimana Bahupadi, which contains at most 4 zeros. Those four, out of the 4 zeros, here 3 plus root 5 and 3 minus root 5, 2 zeros are given. So here let first. So let us assume here comparing standard form of the fourth degree polynomial. So that is ax to the power of 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. Here the given polynomial, which is comparing with ax to the power of 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus c. This is the standard form of the bi-quadratic polynomial. నాలుగవ పరిమాణ బహుపదితో దీంతో ప్రామాణిక రూపంతో పోలుస్తున్నాను. So here a is equal to 2. Let the coefficients are a is equal to 2, and whereas b is equal to minus 22, c is equal to 80, and d value minus 112, and e is equal to 48. Here these are the coefficients: 2 comma minus 22 plus 80 minus 12 minus 112 plus 14. All these are the coefficients. Here coefficients are taken. Let the zeros. The fourth degree polynomial which contains at most 4 number of zeros. గరిష్టంగా దీనికి నాలుగో పరిమాణ బహుపది కాబట్టి గరిష్టంగా దీనికి 4 శూన్యాలు ఉంటాయి. సో లెట్ ఆల్ఫా కామా బీటా కామా గామా కామా డెల్టా ఆర్ ద zeros of the polynomial. Alpha, beta, whereas gamma is given as 1 of the 0, 3 plus root 5, and delta, another 0 is given as 3 minus root 5 are the zeros of the polynomial, zeros of the polynomial here. So fourth degree polynomial which contains at most 4 number of zeros. 4 number of zeros, those are taken as alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Out of the 4 zeros, here gamma value is given as 3 plus root 5, and one of the 0 delta value is given as 3 minus root 5. Here while solving this problem, we need to remember 2 conditions. Those are the relation between zeros and coefficient, sigma alpha 1. So we have one formula, sum of all the zeros, sigma alpha 1 is equal to minus b by a. Here it is the first condition, first relation between zeros and coefficients. Sigma summation alpha 1 is equal to minus b by a. Summation alpha 1 means sum of all the zeros. What is all the zeros? Alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. Sum of all the zeros, which is equal to minus b by a. Here minus b means we need to change the symbol of b. B ki symbol change cheyalana. Minus 22 becomes as plus 22 divided by what is the value of a? A value 2, or otherwise, so alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta, sum of zeros will be which is equal to minus b by a. Now I am substituting the values. విలువలు ప్రతిక్షేపిస్తున్నాను. ఆల్ఫా శూన్యాల మొత్తం అమ్మ ఆల్ఫా plus beta plus gamma value 3 plus root 5, gamma value 3 plus root 5 plus delta value 3 minus root 5, which is equal to minus b. Minus b, we need to change the symbol of b. B value minus 22. Minus into minus, it becomes plus 22 divided by a value which is equal to 2 ones are 2 11s are. So here plus root 5 minus root 5 both are additive inverse of each other. So it becomes 0. Sum of these two terms is equal to 0. Plus root 5 minus root 5 0. So here alpha plus beta is equal to 11. Transposition of plus 6. Transposition of plus 6 is minus 6. Additive inverse of plus 6 is taken as minus 6. Here alpha, therefore we got an equation alpha plus beta is equal to, we obtained an equation in terms of alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to 5. Let this is the equation number 1. Let this is equation number 1. Again, next. What about the next condition? Next condition. Here, look at here. So sigma alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4, or otherwise product of zeros. The product of zeros. Product of zeros. No need to this one. So sum of zeros value minus b by a. This is the first condition. First relation between zeros and coefficients. Another relation between zeros and coefficients. Product of zeros alpha beta gamma delta, alpha beta gamma delta. So product of zeros will be equal to e by a. So शून्याला लब्धम e by a की समान होना. Substituting the values, whereas alpha value we don't know, here also beta same as is taken. Gamma value which is taken as 3 plus root 5. 3 plus root 5 into delta value 3 minus root 5 is equal to e by a, e divided by a, 48 divided by 2, 48 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 24s. Therefore look at here, alpha beta into, it is in the form of a plus b. The product of these two terms are binomial terms. So a plus b into a minus b, which is in the form of a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b రూపంలో ఉంది కాబట్టి ఫార్ములా ఏమైతుందనా a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. So here it is written as a square. A square means 3 square value 9 minus b square root 5 square. Root 5 square nothing but 5. Which is equal to 24. Look at here again, alpha beta. So product of zeros will be equal to e by a. शून्याला लब्धमेमो e by a की समान. शून्याला మొత్తమేమో minus b by a की समान. So product of zeros means alpha into beta into gamma into delta. Whereas gamma value is taken as 3 plus root 5 and delta value is taken as 3 minus root 5. Here alpha beta, we know the value of alpha into beta, and so here it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So according to a plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square. So a square, 3 square value 9 minus square root of root 5 square, nothing but 5 only. So 9 minus 5. Here 9 minus 5, 4 none. 9 minus 5, 4. That implies alpha beta into 9 minus 5, 4, which is equal to 24. 4 ones are 4 6 are. So we got another equation. We obtained another equation, that is here I am writing. Look at your right. Here second part. Whereas alpha beta value is 6. Alpha beta product of zeros is equal to 6. Let this is equation number 2. And sum of the zeros will be same ochindana. Here alpha plus beta is equal to 5. Alpha plus beta is equal to 5. And another zero alpha, product of zeros equal to 6. This is the second equation, first equation and second equation. So we have a relation between these two. ఈ రెండింటి మధ్యలో మనకు ఒక సంబంధం ఉంది నాన్న చెప్పాను. సో ఆన్సర్ ఏంటి నాన్న? సో if product of zeros, sum of zeros and product of zeros, alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 times of alpha beta. Here it is the relation between alpha whole square. Alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. So here, what about the value of alpha plus beta? We know the value of alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta value manaku teliyadu nana. So alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta value 5. 5 square value 25 minus 4 times of alpha beta value is 6. So here alpha minus beta whole square is equal to 25 minus 4 times of 6, 24. 25 minus 24, that is equal to 1. So alpha minus beta whole square is equal to 1 is written as 1 square. So square get cancel. So what is the value of alpha minus beta value? Alpha minus beta value 1. Let this is equation number 3. Solving of 1 and 3. Solving 1 and 3. So here we got two equations. These are linear equations in two variables. One of the variable is alpha and another variable is taken as beta. Here solving 1 and 3. By solving 1 and 3, here look at here, alpha plus beta value 5, and whereas alpha minus beta value 1. By adding up these two equations, plus beta minus beta get cancelled. Alpha plus alpha, double time of alpha, 2 times of alpha, which is equal to 6. 2 times of alpha is equal to 6. Both are the multiples of 2, dividing by 2 on both sides. 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. Therefore, so alpha value is taken as, so here alpha value which is equal to 3. So look at here, what about the product of these two terms and the product of the two zeros? Alpha into beta is equal to 6 now. So here, so what should be multiplied to 3 to get 6? Alpha beta multiply is answer name na, product of two zeros will be equal to 6 means substituting alpha value, or otherwise sum of zeros will be 5. One of the 0 is 3, another 0, 3 plus 2 which is equal to 5. So substitute any one of the equation now. Alpha beta is equal to 6. Here we have alpha beta equal to 6. Substituting the value of alpha. Alpha value nandulo substitute cheyandi nana. Emaitundi chudandi. So alpha value 3 into beta is equal to 6. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. Therefore one of the 0 alpha is equal to 3 and another 0 beta is equal to 2. Alpha value 3 and beta value 2. Here are the remaining two zeros of the polynomial. Here these are the remaining two zeros of the polynomial. ఒకసారి నాన్న అనదర్ మెథడ్, ఇది కాకుండా ఇంకొక మెథడ్లో చెప్తున్నాను చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఏం చేశాను నేను ఇక్కడ, మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్తున్నాను. లుక్ ఎట్ హియర్. So here what is the given problem? What is given in the problem? Look at the statement there. 3 plus root 5 and 3 minus root 5 are the zeros of the polynomial. 3 plus root 5 and 3 minus root 5 are the zeros of biquadratic polynomial. వివర్గ బహుపదికి రెండు శూన్యాలు, నాలుగవ పరిమాణ బహుపదికి రెండు శూన్యాలు. So with the help of relation between zeros and coefficients, we need to find the remaining two zeros. మూల శూన్యాలకి గుణకాలకి మధ్య ఉండే సంబంధాన్ని ఆధారంగా చేసుకొని మిగిలిన రెండు శూన్యాలు కనుక్కోవాలి. సో ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు నాన్న? సో let the polynomial is given as f of x is equal, this is the given polynomial. So here it is compared with the standard form of the fourth degree polynomial. నాలుగవ పరిమాణ బహుపదితో ప్రామాణిక రూపంతో పోలుస్తున్నాను. Here a is equal to b c d e. A b c d e are taken as the coefficients. Here are the coefficients. Next, what are the zeros? So fourth degree polynomial which contains at most 4 number of zeros. నాలుగవ పరిమాణ బహుపదికి గరిష్టంగా 4 శూన్యాలు ఉంటాయి. 4 శూన్యాలు ఏమనుకున్నాడనా? ఆల్ఫా, బీటా, గామా, డెల్టా. Whereas here alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta are the zeros. Out of the 4 zeros, here one of the zero is given as gamma value 3 plus root 5 and another one of the zero delta value is taken as 3 minus root 5. Alpha, beta, here unknown zeros and here known zeros. Gamma is 3 plus root 5 and delta is taken as 3 minus root 5. Here are the zeros. Here these are the coefficients. These are the zeros. ఇక్కడ గుణకాలు ఇచ్చాడు, శూన్యాలు ఇచ్చాడు. So what about the relation between these two? So what is the relation between zeros and coefficients? శూన్యాలకి గుణకాల మధ్య సంబంధం ఏంటమ్మా? First condition just you have to remember sum of the zeros which is equal to minus b by a. Sum of the zeros. Already so far we have discussed about the previous classes. ముందు జరిగినటువంటి క్లాసెస్ లో ఇవి ఎలా వచ్చాయని చెప్పాను. Alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta is equal to minus b by a and product of zeros will be e by a. So here sum of zeros and product of zeros. Sum of zeros అంటే శూన్యాల మొత్తం alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta which is equal to minus b by a. We need to change the symbol of b. Minus 22 becomes plus 22 divided by a value 2. So plus root 5 minus root 5 additive inverse of both each other. So plus root 5 minus root 5 it becomes 0. Alpha plus beta is equal to 11 minus transposition of plus 6 is minus 6. So Pakshandra Samra is an alpha plus beta value 5. Here we got an equation in terms of alpha plus beta. Alpha according to the first case, according to the first condition, మొదటి నియమం నుంచి మనకి alpha plus beta value వచ్చేసింది. What about the second condition? Product of zeros will be equal to a. శూన్యాల లబ్ధం means we need to multiply all the zeros. Alpha into beta into gamma into delta which is equal to e divided by a. E divided by a, that is 2 1 to 24 jar. Here it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. The product of these two binomials ఉన్నాయి రెండు కూడా గుణిస్తే a plus b into a minus b formula a square minus b square. 3 square value 9 minus square root 5 square value 5. So alpha beta into 9 minus 5 is equal to 25. So here 9 minus 5 value 4. So here dividing by 4 on both sides. 4 1 ja 4 6 ja. Alpha beta value 6. Alpha beta value which is equal to 6. Now coming to the second part, third part. Here alpha beta value 6 and alpha beta value 5. We obtain two cases. We obtain the two cases. రెండు నియమాలు మనకు వచ్చాయన్న to find. So eliminating variable method by using eliminating variable method. So we need to find alpha minus beta. Okay, చరరాశిని తొలగించాలంటే alpha minus beta కనుక్కుంటే ఈజీ అవుతుంది. That's why alpha minus beta whole square is taken as alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Here I am substituting the value of alpha plus beta value 5 square value 25 minus of 4 into alpha beta value 6 nana 4 6 and 24. 25 minus 24 it is equal to 1. 1 is written as 1 square. Square get cancel. Alpha minus beta equal to 1. Here we obtain the third equation. So here alpha minus beta is equal to 1 and alpha beta equal to 5. With the help of first and third equations, adding these two equations, plus beta minus beta both are get cancel. Alpha plus alpha 2 alpha is equal to 2 alpha equal to 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are nana 2 1s are 2 3s are. Alpha value 3 plus 2 which is equal to 5 nana 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So alpha value 3 and beta value 2. Here are the zeros of the polynomial. So look at the another method. So నేను ఇక్కడ వరకు సేమ్ ప్రాసెస్ నానా. So this is the same process. Here in this third case already we know that if sum of zeros and product of zeros is given, so whenever the sum of zeros and product of zeros is given, so we have a quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial. The required polynomial is quadratic polynomial is వర్గ బహుపది ఏమవుతుంది నానా అంటే సో x square minus x into sum of zeros plus product of zeros. X square minus x into sum of zeros plus product of zeros. X square minus x into శూన్యాల మొత్తము plus శూన్యాల లబ్ధం. This is the quadratic polynomial whenever sum of zeros and product of zeros is given. So this is the required polynomial. ఇది వర్గ బహుపదికి ప్రామాణిక రూపం నానా. So x square minus x into sum of zeros is given as 5 plus product of zeros is given as 6. We need to find, this is the polynomial, x square minus 5x plus 6 is the second degree polynomial whose roots are taken as, for this polynomial, the roots are alpha and the zeros are not the roots. Zeros of the polynomial is alpha and beta. We need to find zeros of the polynomial. దీనికి శూన్య విలువలు కనుక్కోవాలన్నా, so expressing as a factor x square minus here 5 is written as 3 plus 2. 5 is written as 3 plus 2. Sum of these two becomes as 5 into x plus 6 is written as product of 3 and 2. So 5 is written as 3 plus 2 and 6 is written as 3 into 2. Look at here, x square minus of a plus b into x plus a into b. So here resolving into factors, equalizing to 0 while finding zeros of the polynomial which is equal to 0. So here x minus 3 is a linear factor, x minus 3 is a factor of the polynomial, and one more polynomial is x minus into plus minus x minus 2 is another polynomial. The product of these two linear factors becomes as a quadratic polynomial. So ఎప్పుడైతుందన్నా శూన్య విలువలు కనుక్కునేప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలా, ఆ రెండింటి యొక్క కారణాలు x minus 3 is one of the factor, ఒక కారణాంకం, x minus 2 is another factor which is equal to 0. Here x minus 3 equal to 0 means x is equal to 3. Here x minus 2 equal to means x is equal to 2. Here 2 and 3 are the therefore 2 comma 3 are the zeros of the polynomial. Okay na? So ila kuda manam answer cheyachu without doing the division process. Division lekundane actually according to the book method he is given as the division method. No need to do the division, no need to apply the division process. Division lekunda manam cheyadam ela. So first nana we obtain value of alpha plus beta with the help of summation of alpha 1, sum of all the zeros equal to minus b by a, and product of zeros equal to e by a. With the help of these two conditions we obtain the value of alpha and beta, whereas alpha beta value 6 and alpha plus beta value 5. Here sum of zeros and product of zeros is given, then the quadratic polynomial is x square minus 6 into sum of zeros plus product of zeros. This is we applied. So here substituted alpha plus beta value is taken as 5 and alpha beta value is taken as 6. Here this is the polynomial. While finding zeros of the polynomial which is equalized to 0, శూన్య విలువలు కనుక్కునేప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి, 0 సమానం చేయాలి. So here 5 is written as 3 plus 2, 6 is written as 3 into 2, x minus 3 is a factor and x minus 2 is another factor. So here x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2 is the zeros of the polynomial. Okay Nana? So thanks for giving nice cooperation to me. So here if you have any doubts then ask me. నేను నా నెంబర్ నాన్న అందులో ఫేస్బుక్లో పెట్టాను. Okay, it's enough for today.